What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, y'all? Welcome. I am your host, TonyaNicole Boo, and you have just clicked into, y'all already know what it is, my bomb ass unboxing world featuring Allure Beauty Box. Y'all, I'm so excited to unbox this and see what we got for the month of August. So if you want to see what's in here and party with your girl today, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this new disco background. All right, loves, welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, and well, today I'm actually feeling like a Donna Summers type day. Oh, yeah. I got the disco background going on. Y'all gonna be seeing a lot of this background because it is one of my favorites. Girl, I'm feeling this. Okay, let me know what y'all think. Today, guys, we have Allure Beauty Box for the month of August. We will not be long. We're gonna do shout outs, specs, unbox it, and we're done. Y'all ready? Let's go. I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Today's drink. Oh, girl, I got me a little screwdriver because one of my subscribers said last time, girl, you should have added some vodka to that. So I decided to add a little bit to my OJ today. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Okay, y'all, so y'all know that Allure is a $15 per month beauty subscription plus free shipping. I do order my box through Amazon. Now you're getting at least 2 full-size products in every box. Oh my God. You get 5 makeup and skincare picks from their editors, a mini magazine with tips and exclusive offers, and it's supposed to be valued at around $70. Now, I do wish that Allure would put more makeup into their boxes because I do like a mixture of skincare and makeup. I don't like boxes that's real super skincare heavy, but we're gonna keep our fingers crossed that we got some makeup products, right? So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. Whoop, lift it up. Does come with this little magazine right here with all of the products that we have. Y'all know I'm gonna put the prices and all that good stuff. When we open it up, I'm gonna give y'all just a little bit of peek. That's all y'all need, okay? So let's see what we got. First up, I am pulling out this Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals Botanical Primer. Okay, so this is a primer. That's what the bottle looks like right there, guys. You get 0.75 fluid ounces of product. It says suffering from dry skin and huge pores, left from drying makeup. That's me. This natural botanical primer not only minimizes pores and even skin tone, but it also leaves skin feeling moisturized and dewy looking. Oh, okay. You will be left looking radiant, moisturized, and ready for the day ahead. So it balances the skin, protects it, and moisturizes. Okay, cool. And in here, it's paraben sulfate free, cruelty free, Leaping Bunny certified. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there, my loves. And when we open it, it has a safety seal. I'm not gonna open this up right now because I have so many primers that I'm using. So let's see what this retails for. Full size retails for $44, guys. And this is the Wish Botanical Primer. Cool. Next product we have is from Floss. It's in this little bubble wrap. And this is a Brighten Up highlighter. Okay, cool. That's what the packaging looks like right there. And it says on the back, never tested on animals. That's good. Let me open it up. We have the shade Sunlit. So let's open it. Oh, that rhymed. Sunlit. So let's open it. Okay, ooh, okay, so when we take it out, that's what it looks like, guys. This will definitely be too ashy for your girl's skin tone. The melanin would not be able to handle that. So we will be putting this in a little giveaway. I will not swatch it because, girl, I will be looking like I'm ready for the casket. And no, ma'am. And this is a Floss Brighten Up highlighter in Sunlit. I guess this is the full size. Okay, and this retails for $20. I don't know if this is a full size or not. I think it is though. On the little picture here, it looks the same. So it's $20, guys. Then we received from Sulphur. I know that's not right. And this is a First Care Activating Serum. That's what it looks like right there, my loves. I hope you guys are able to see that. Okay, so on here on the back, it says, this serum improves major signs of aging while boosting your routine. It has a cocktail of 5 Korean herbs. It's very hard for me to see without my contacts in, y'all. Lord. That soothes, nurtures, and firms for a healthy glow. You're going to use after a facial wash in the morning and the evening, 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm, and then apply with the fingertips. Okay, cool. So it is a youth serum, I'm going to say. So let's open it up. Oh, look at the bottle. It's so cute. I love that. And it has about that much product in it, as y'all can see. And you do get, how much in here? 0.27 fluid ounces. So it's a pump. Oh, look at the little pump, y'all. This is cute. Let me pump a little bit on my hand. Ooh. Doesn't smell like anything. That's what it looks like right there. Okay. Good deal. It's very watering. Oh, but it does feel nice. Oh, it feels really nice. Okay, let me see what it says about this. All right, so this is the Sulphur First Care Activating Serum. And y'all, for the full size of this, it retails for $84. Wow. The editor on here says she uses this after cleansing and toning, and it gives her a subtle glow to her skin that she loves. Okay, I don't mind using this little sample size. Cool. Next up, we have from H2O, this Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer right here. And I'm seeing that it's very skincare heavy again this month. So it's a gel cream moisturizer, helps to calm the appearance of redness and locks in skin moisture to increase hydration for dewy, healthy looking skin. Developed with clean, effective ingredients and formulated without parabens, sulfate, synthetic fragrance. All right, so that's what the box looks like. And when we open it up, this is what it looks like right there, guys. And in here you get 0.34 fluid ounces of product. There is a little safety seal, so I will not open it, but I can always use a hydration cream moisturizer for my face. And let's see. Oh, this matched my background. Hey, let's see what it says about this. So this is the H2O Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. This is, deluxe size, and this retails for $42 for the full size here. Okay, I guess I could always use this. Next up, we have this little bar here, the famous black soap Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar right here. And this is from, let's see. Oh, Lord. Why do they keep giving me names I cannot pronounce? Erno Lazalo. I don't like chopping up people's name, guys. But it says not your average cleansing bar. I hope you guys are able to see that. I do love the Sea Mud Cleansing Mask. I do have one that I use maybe I think it's like 2 times a week. So I do like these. It's actually a mask, not a soap. So I'm very excited to try this little baby out. And I'm going to tell you what it says. If I can read it, it says, oh no. Use directly after cleansing oil of your choice as part of your double cleanse. Okay, cool. So after you cleanse your face with your cleansing oil to take off the makeup, then you will go in with this bar of soap here, the black soap, and remove the rest. Okay, and I'm gonna say this is the full-sized product, and it retails for $38 right there. Next up, we have from Pixi. Oh, wow. I haven't had a Pixi product in a while. This is the Rose Oil Blend, Rose and Pomegranate Oils. It's a nurturing oil for your face. Right there, loves. And it says this Luxe Oil Blend is a rich source of botanical oils and vitamin E, helping to preserve and nourish. Skin rejuvenated and suppleness is improved. resulting in healthy looking luminous skin. It's for all skin types. You're going to use in the morning and at night. Massage 2 to 3 drops onto a cleansed toned face. For extra hydration and glow, add 1 or 2 drops to your moisturizer before applying. Okay, let's take it out. So it comes like this with the little dropper right there. And in here you get 1 fluid ounce of product. I'm gonna open it and smell it. Oh, it does have like a light hint smell of rose. I'm not gonna put the dropper in yet because I'm not gonna use this face oil just yet, but I am excited to see this, guys. I do love Pixi's products. So let's see what this little baby retails for. And this retails for $24, guys. We have one more product, guys, which is this cute little sheet mask right here. This is from Looks and My, and this is a brightening lift up perfect fit face mask. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I am feeling the outer packaging. This is really cute. It says this brilliant layering systems give your skin a brighter tone, and the Vita 3 complex of this brightening mask provides the skin with clear, shining moisture. Cool. All righty. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, guys. And it's 1 face mask in here, and let's see what it retails for. It's $3 for 1, guys, so $3. Okay, let me take a little drink. All right, so that was my final product in Allure. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. We received this face mask here. From H2O, this gel cream moisturizer. From Eero, like this famous black soap right here. From Wish, this powerful botanical primer. From Floss, this highlighter. From Suwasu, this, oh my God, activating serum here. And lastly, Pixi, this face oil right here. 7 products for this month. Final thoughts on this box is, y'all, I'm gonna be completely honest. This box was okay for me. I mean, I need Allure to give me some more makeup. Like, I'm honestly serious. Out of all the products, I got this one highlighter that I cannot use. And I mean, the products are okay. You know, I'm into skincare now, guys, but where is the makeup? Like, Allure, I know you are a beauty box, babe. So beauty includes skincare and makeup. So I'm gonna need you to put a little bit more makeup in these boxes. But all in all, I just thought that it was an okay box for this month. I'm not gonna rate it this month because I really wouldn't know what to give Allure for this month's box. But I would like it if you guys will let me know down in the comments below what your rating would be, because I really don't know right now, guys. I don't, and I don't want to give a rating, and I just don't know. So let me know in the comments what you would rate this box. Let me know if you got your box and if you're feeling all of the skincare that Allure is giving. I know I have some skincare junkies out there that love skincare, but I want a little bit more makeup, boo. Yeah, I do. So that's all that I have, guys. I hope you would consider subscribing to your girl. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of that is down below. The subscribe button should be like right there. So y'all might as well go ahead on and hit it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, or even if you didn't. Thank you. Until next time and next video, I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.